Hi guys, my name is Kai. Today I'll be going over the trunk and spinal anatomy and structures. Okay, to get started, we'll have the occipital bone, which is located just in the back of the skull right over here. Part of the occipital bones are the nuchal lines, which are just basically lines in the skull that kind of go inwardly towards here and like that. Then we have the atlas and the axis, which are located right underneath the base of the skull. So the atlas will be on the top, which is kind of located, it's just like almost like a little donut circle shape like this, and then the axis has like a little almost like a plug looking thing that kind of connects the two together. These are the first C1 and C2 of the cervical vertebrae, which then go C3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which kind of just trace the back part of your neck. Next, facing anteriorly, we have the hyoid, which is going to be right underneath the mandible, kind of right in this area right over here. Then, after that, we have the sternum, which is going to be located right kind of like in the middle of your chest right here. The sternum can be broken down to three sections: the manobrium, then the body, and then the xiphoid process. Around the sternum, we have the ribs, which we have 24 ribs, and it goes like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. We have 12 angles of ribs that kind of all go in this direction like that. Cool. Next, if we have anything posteriorly, we have the thoracic spinal processes, which connect or follow the cervical vertebrae. So after the C1 to C7, we have the thoracic spinal process, which starts from right here and it goes from T1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So T1 to T12. Okay, moving on to the muscles. We have the sternocleidomastoid, which connected to this part right here is the muscle that traces right over here. This muscle is important for contralateral flexion, meaning that when you turn your head like that, the muscles kind of fire the opposite of the way the head is rotating. Next, we have the splenius captus and splenius cervicus, which will be on this side here, and it's going to be right connected to the back parts of the neck right here and traced downwards like that. The splenius captus is going to be the upper one, important for extension of head and neck and rotation of the same sides, depending on which side you rotate your head. The splenius cervicus will be the lower muscles down here, which is closer to the upper thoracic vertebrae. Moving on, we have the erector spinae muscles, which are going to be tracing right down here from the neck downwards, down, tracing the spine. This can be broken down to three sections. We have the spinalis, which is the most medial, and then medial going outwards laterally is the spinalis, the longissimus, and then the iliacostalis. And then lastly, we'll finish up with the lower back muscles. Sorry, I need you to stay there. The quadratus lumborum, which are going to be located right here and here. And to finish up, we have the rectus abdominis and the external and internal obliques. So the rectus abdominis is just going to be like this medial part right here for all the strong abs, and we have the external and internal obliques, which are going to be in the sides right over here. The external and internal oblique are located in the same place. However, the external oblique will be more superficial compared to the internal oblique. Thank you guys for your time.